Your first kiss, do you remember your first crush and your first
Oh,
kiss?
yeah. Oh, yeah. I remember my first kiss. It sounds cliche, but we were on a hayride. And there was a bunch of people, you know, in the hay. And everybody was making out. This is like 2 hours into the hayride. And I was very shy. And I was too shy to kiss kiss her. And she's sitting right next to me. She's with another guy. You know, but still, I thought, you know, maybe I could move in. But finally, I went in. I thought, this is ridiculous. I got to kiss her now because everybody else is doing it. So I closed my eyes and I went in to kiss her, and I got her right on the eye. I was kissing her on her eye, you know, and I didn't know it was her eye. You know, I thought she, you know, I could feel her eyelashes. I thought, wow, she's got some hairy tongue or something, you know, hairy lips. And then I went in further, and I felt her eyebrow, you know, over here. And I thought, wow, she's got a mustache. This is not good. This is not good. But that was the first kiss I've ever had. And it's really, I don't remember many kisses after that.
That was mainly just that one?
But
you were kissing her for a while on her eyeball.
I was, yeah. It was maybe about a good 20 minutes. She's blind in that eye now. She cannot see.
What was her name?
You want me to tell her name?
No.
Maureen?
Have you seen her since?
Yes, but she has not seen me.
That's very creepy. Kevin.